What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to watermark your photos in Adobe Lightroom CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Select the photos you wish to export and navigate to File, Export. On this window, check the Include Watermark box and then select this gear icon to open up your watermark options. Under Text, you will be able to change the text and font. Below, change the anchor point to a corner, side or to the middle of the picture. Lastly, you can also change your text size, opacity and offset with this slider system. Under Graphic, you can upload your own watermark to be used by Lightroom. Simply click here and your File Explorer will open up, where you will have to locate your PNG or JPEG image. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.